Oh, yeah.
We have the nerdiest husbands in the world.
Big kids.
Oh, my Lord. Yeah, that means explosion.
That blue dot, that's me.
Oh, it's so stupid. That guy right there?
Is this really how y'all drive jet skis, guys?
No.
Because y'all's arms are crossed
Y'all should
and...
be standing up doing it.
It does work better when you're standing up.
Why do you stop the ground?
Because you have to do your boost.
Ooh, you did a flip.
Heck yeah, I ain't playing.
Hit it, hit it, hit it!
And then there's this sweet baby having to sit in on this. Oh, poor thing.
The front flip on the wave.
Really?
Yeah, don't play around. Oh, we didn't do it. Don't make me mess around.
No! Hold it, hold it, hold it. Turn, 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 turn. There we go. Hold her steady. Get off me!
I love the Connect games. This is most fun.
I've never played any of them yet.
There we go. Daddy got it.
Oh my god! I'm straight into the rock. I need to